What is up, fellow adventure hunters? As always, it's your boy Az and your girl Molly. And today we're checking out a huge abandoned factory. Like, it is massive.
Explore new destinations, break the rules, no complications. No light is seen but through broken walls, desolate space and filthy halls. Take a step within adventure calls. Tread carefully unless you fall. Take the right path, for treasure awaits. What you will find in your place. No one ever sees this kind of place unless breaking the rules you can embrace. Urban exploration, race alone. Exploration, a sacred preservation. Explore new destinations, break the rules, no complications. Within the bounds of places unknown, we find ourselves upon the throne, a pile of pieces.
So yeah, without further ado, I guess we'll just get straight into it. Alright. Okay, so we're out the back now, and we'll be moving towards the front. There's a few interesting bits and pieces to see, and you can see just how much rust has gotten into their aircon unit. So I'll take you guys through. We can have a look back here real quick. We've scoped the whole place just to make sure we were safe, which I highly recommend you do whenever you go to a place this big.
It's raining, so hopefully there's not too much background noise.
Yeah, all good. Alright. So yeah, it's a really cool place. Unfortunately, we don't know anything about it, but we've wanted to check it out for a while, and today we finally got the opportunity to, because we both took a day off work for Molly's birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Molly.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
This is what we do for fun.
Yeah, that's it. So nature's started reclaiming this little area.
There's a lot of holes in the roof.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
And this would have been some sort of industrial spraying unit by the looks of it. Oh, look at this. Wow. Yeah, those are nozzles. Right. Okay. What? Oh, come on.
You got me.
Okay, fair enough. They got me. Yeah, guys, this is a classic example of copper theft. Look how much has been stripped.
This is just one pile.
That's just one of the piles that's here, hey. There's a few more. So we'll head back this way, guys. Yeah. But you'll truly get a sense of the scale of this place once we get into the larger building. Because this is just some of it, honestly. Yeah, it's a huge place. We won't bother showing you the toilets because everyone's seen an abandoned toilet. Everyone's seen that. Alright. And we'll take you into the main warehouse now. Just got to watch our footing here. It's very wet and very full of junk, as you can see. Yeah. So here you go, guys. Massive, massive warehouse. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the larger of the two warehouses. Up the front there's another large area. We'll go into that shortly. But these rooms are all just gutted. There's honestly not much to see in there. But we want to take you through to what I think at least is the coolest part, and that's just the extent of the air conditioning here. Underneath us is like a linoleum tiled floor. Yeah, oh yeah, there we go. And someone's done a skid in here at some point. Wonder how they got a car in here. Yeah. This is an interesting graph here. Now I want to look at this.
I believe that's just people being stupid.
Could be. This must have been a wool spinning place. So we got another massive room here, guys. And there's a slight echo in here too. Oh. I recognise that tag. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I think this was a wool spinning factory. And here's that other front room. Oh well, hang on, it's over that way actually. I think we might have missed a few things. Who knows? But yeah, the scale of this place is just monstrous, man. Yeah, here's the front factory area. Absolutely monstrous, man. Yeah, quite a cool find, to be honest. There's Molly. So we'll head over this way. A big train. Okay. I think we missed something over here, baby. I could be wrong. Oh yeah. A few of the better tags are over here. Yeah, once again, familiar with that. Oh wow, look at this. Don't think we saw this area earlier. Whole bunch of, I don't know, maybe gas bottles. Due 2007. That was due for replacement in 2007. What's over there? Oh, there's additional stuff out here we can look at. Cool. Leads up to the roof. Yeah, and there's that back room with another staircase in it that we were in earlier. But I want to go that way because of the aircon unit that looks really cool. Yeah, we've really got to watch our step around here too, because there's a lot of little holes in the floor. No, that's not the way. It's further this way.
Do you know the way?
This is not the way. You good, baby? Okay, just watch your footing. Okay, here we go. Now this part is their huge aircon unit. It's absolutely staggeringly large, and look at these doors, like you pull these open to get in there and service it. Amazing, man. Yeah, alright. Whoa. I gotta see this. Does it spin? Or is it... Oh, it's attached to a motor, isn't it? Oh, you okay?
Oh, my sleeve.
Oh, yeah.
I'm good.
Wow. That's insane, man. Whereabouts?
How rusted out.
Oh, that's just dust.
Oh, that's dust.
Dust it out. And here's one of the filters, guys. This is what I mean when I say stuff like, if you weren't into urban exploration, you'd never actually get to see inside stuff like this. Wow. Absolutely staggering just how much stuff is in here. Okay, now we're going to go back out here. Around here so you can see the size of this unit. It's absolutely insane. And there's another pipe, part of which was removed because that led down into there, obviously. But yeah, it must have gotten hot in here to need this level of aircon. What have you
I've
found?
never seen this big of an aircon unit
Yeah,
in a factory.
I have a couple of times. But this is the biggest one I've seen.
Maybe they really needed to keep it cool.
Well, oh, there's a kookaburra in that tree.
Loved it.
All right. Now, earlier we found a more interesting part of this aircon unit, and that was one of the, I think, distribution fans, and it's further down this way. Yeah, distro fans. Here we go. Here you go. Look at that. So these would funnel the air in certain directions, to my knowledge. And you've got a cool tree growing back there too. That's probably been there a while, that. Based on how much growth is there.
Yeah, it's so dusty in here. From when it was new stuff.
Yeah.
I don't think they cleaned the filters at all.
Oh, that should not be stood on.
No.
Okay, and here's them up close. Yeah, the doors are pretty narrow, so you'll see us moving through them slowly. But how cool is this? I've been recommended by Nippy Obex 108 to check this place out. I'm very glad I've gotten around to it because it's super cool. There's a weed sprayer bottle hanging up there.
Weed spray.
Yeah, you know those ones you wear as a backpack? Baby, I just want to say I love exploring abandoned places with you, especially when we find something that's contextually this cool, you know what I mean? Like big old shit.
I've never seen an aircon unit this big.
And now you've been inside one on your birthday. What's up?
I can't see your head.
Don't leave me hanging. Here we go.
Start